Hello everyone, I'm JC. On today's episode I'm going to show you how to fix a water pump leak from the XT660. I believe the same apply for the Tenere version, the X-Spec version, the R version. It's part of that engine. So in my case, I narrowed down the root cause to 3 possible root cases. I don't know if you are looking at this video, if you have any other, leave it in the comment. But in my case, I think that it might be by mileage. The bike turned 40,000 kilometers on a trip where the problem appeared, the leaks appear. 2, it could be overheat or by warm temperatures, or I really don't know. So the bike, it was during summertime, I was pushing it harder than I normally are, that I normally push it, and this appeared 2 days after. And the number 3 might be, before that trip, I did a couple of off-roading things and I broke a pipe in the radiator, and of course that caused an overheating, which I fixed right away, but this might be another root cause. So if you are currently encountering these kind of problems, I think this video might be able to help you, and as always, stay tuned. This is the water pump, and we are going to, what I did at the moment is we're going to fix it because it's leaking water or coolant. And what I did was just to unscrew everything. I took this off. As you can see here, I took the regulator off. Well, not off, I just took it out of sight. And I started unscrewing. It's not tight, This one's left. It's not. Yeah. The actual problem, it was here. There is a seal which was not good enough. It was leaking around here. I suspect that it's the mechanical seal, so we'll see. This is the mechanical seal. This is how it's supposed to be, and this is how it's broken. Okay, I got it now. Okay guys, I couldn't film it because I burned all my hands, but anyway, what I did was to take the case out of the oven and hit the bearing on the other side once it was super hot. And it came loose quite easily. There you go. Wow. Oh, so hot. Okay. I'm gonna give it around, I don't know, a couple of minutes because this is super hot. So I'll come back in a sec. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to put the bearing. Call me crazy, but I'm going to put the bearings on the freezer because I want this to shrink in order to enter here like a globe. Boop. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you are here with this kind of problem that you have fixed your bike as well, most of the time I follow the workshop manual. I encourage you as well to follow it. This is not, you will get more information not only from the water pump, from any other part of the bike. Also, if you have some suggestions, comments, questions, or any successful story that you want to share, please leave it in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to read it and to interact with you. Also, you can follow us in the social media. We have an Instagram profile where I share all my weekly updates regarding my bikes, and also I have my Facebook page where you can as well interact with me. As always, try to do it yourself. It's the only way to learn. I know sometimes it's inevitable to go to the garage, but it's always the first step. See you next time. Bye bye.